letters with the pictures. Then today I am going to revise it again. See here. This is called as swara. As I have said you, this is called as swara. R to A. How many it is there? There are 13 swars. Okay. A, I, U, U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, Aha. Okay. A से अनार, अनार यानी pomegranate. A, आम यानी mango. I, इमली, tamarind. Eek, eek यानी sugar cane. Ullu, owl. Oont यानी camel. Rishi, sage. A से egg, one. I से ऐनक, spectacles. O से oakley, palming stone. Au से औरत यानी woman. से अंगूर, that is grapes. Aha. Now you know how to read the letter and also the picture which is connected to this letter. Now we are going to do some exercise wise, like how to write after letter in this, how to write before letter, and how to write the pictures. As you all know, you know how to write anar. So which is the letter for this? Right. What is this picture? This is which is the letter for this is second letter right. So what is this picture? This is Imli. Okay. So letter E. Likewise, now you have learned to identify the pictures. What is this? Eek. So you have to write the starting. You have to know the starting letter. As you all know this, we are going to write what comes after. Okay, which is the after letter here. Okay, I am going to write which is this letter, children. See the letter. This letter is U. Which is this letter? U. Okay, what comes after U? See here. This is letter U. So you have to write here U. Okay, next. Which is this letter? This is letter A. What comes after A? A big A. So you have to write letter A. What is this letter, children? This is letter E. What comes after E? See here? E. Okay. Now write letter E. Next, which is this letter? This is letter I. After I, see here, this is letter I. After I, which is the letter? O. So write O here. Right? Next, which is this letter? What is this letter? After which is the letter? Aha. So write letter Aha. Which is this letter, children? Re. After Re, it is A. So write letter A. After O, it is letter O. Children, if you know how to write R to Aha only, you can write this after and before letters in this. Okay. Coming for the next, what comes before? Before E, it is E. E. This is a small E. Okay. This is letter A. So what comes before? Fine. Before U, it is U. Then this is letter I. Before letter I, A. Before letter Aha, it is Right. This is letter A. Before letter A, it is Re. Before letter O, you can write letter O. Understood, children? So if you come to know how to read and write R to Aha, you can answer whichever meaning it is what comes after, what comes before, what comes between, and you can match the letters with the pictures also. Right, children? Now I am going to show you how to write in the classwork. Take out your classwork, write the date 2/9/20. Okay? Here, write R to Write A to aha. 2 times you can write, children. 1 time, 2 times. This is your classwork, right? A, E. You have to leave finger space in between the letters. E, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Right, children? Second time you have to start writing. After writing this main, go to the next main. Write what comes after. This will be the revision, children. Revision, right? First one, letter U, 1 dash. Second, A dash. Third one, letter E dash. Then the fourth one, letter I dash. After letter I, fifth one, you have to write letter dash. Then the sixth one, letter Ri, okay, dash. And the seventh one, letter O. Okay. Now write the answer after letter U as I have taught you on the board. Letter U. Okay. After A, it is letter A. After E, E. After I, it is O. Okay. Then after it is aha. After Ri, it is letter A. After O, it is letter Au. Okay. Go to the next page. Write the same date 2/9/20. Write the heading what comes before. Okay, what comes before. Now write the question. First one, draw line dash, then write letter E. Write neatly, children. The second one, how you write before numbers and all, like that. Third one, again dash, write letter U. Then fourth one, write letter I. Fifth one, write letter aha. Then sixth one, put 1 dash, write letter A. Seventh one, put 1 dash, write letter Au. Now you have to write the answer. See here, before E, it is E. Before A, it is A. Before U, it is what? U. Before I, it is letter A. Before aha, it is letter Before A, it is Ri. Okay. Before Au, it is letter O. Okay, then on the same date, write match. Okay. Now I am writing letter E, A. Okay. Here I am going to write mango here. Then here you can write 1 anar. Okay, here you write 1 eek. Here you write 1 letter, number 1. Then here you can write, okay. Then you can match the letter. A say anar, A say am, E say imali, E say eek, A say ek. So this is the match the following. So children, from A to aha, 2 times you have to write in your classwork. Then the second main, this will be the first main. Here it will be the second main, what comes after. Then third main, this is before, and this will be the fourth main. Parents, you can help the children in writing the questions. Like if you are writing these questions, children will be writing this answers like this. this dash you have to put, you write this question, children will be writing the answers. Okay, thank you parents. Children write neatly. Thank you.